Hello guys, and welcome to my channel Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. And if this is first time you are watching my video on YouTube, please click subscribe button and hit on notification bell icon so that whenever I upload video on YouTube, you'll be able to watch and learn one or two things about Fiverr. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can update your gig SEO. When you update your gig SEO, it helps your gig to rank in front page and make allow you to get more sales and more visibility, and more clicks and more impressions, whereby you get more sales traffic on your gig. So how do you update your gig SEO? So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Fiverr account. So when you log into your Fiverr account, you can select a particular gig you want to update. Let's say I want to update this my Fiverr gig. This is my flyer Fiverr gig. I want to update it. So you have to right click on the gig link, then choose open link in Notepad. Okay, so let's see. So next thing you have to do is to come to edit gig here. So you click on it. Then you have to come here. You see where you have upgrade SEO. Click on it. So you click on it. These are the gig SEO right here. Okay. So when you add it to your upgrade to your gig SEO, it helps this gig to rank in front page when you do that. So the next thing you have to do is to just come here and then click on save. So within a few minutes, Fiverr is going to save your gig SEO upgrade. Change saved. So this is how you upgrade your gig SEO to rank in the front page, and this is one of the secrets I'm using to make sales on Fiverr. And I hope you guys can work on it, and let me see how far you are able to achieve the right result. If you have any question as far as this training tutorial is concerned, put your question in the comment section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more interesting tips and tricks about Fiverr. I hope you guys learn one or two things today, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.